This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the passenger's door and pull the bonnet release handle. Pull out the safety catch and lift the bonnet. Unclip the support prop and engage it with the underside of the bonnet. The coolant expansion tank filler cap is located on the right-hand side of the engine compartment. Slowly unscrew the filler cap to allow any residual pressure to escape. Position a suitable container under the left-hand end of the radiator. Unscrew the radiator drain plug and allow the coolant to drain into the container. When the coolant has finished draining, tighten the drain plug. Mop up any spilled coolant and remove the container from beneath the vehicle. Slacken the bleed plug at the top left or right-hand corner of the radiator. Using a funnel to minimise spillage, add a 50-50 mixture of antifreeze and water to the expansion tank. Slowly fill the system until coolant emerges from the radiator bleed hole, or until the level settles at the max mark on the side of the expansion tank. Tighten the radiator bleed plug. Bring the coolant level up to the max mark on the side of the tank. Securely refit the filler cap. Start the engine, run it at approximately 3000 RPM for 2 minutes, then switch it off. Recheck the coolant level in the expansion tank and top up if necessary. With the expansion tank cap refitted, start the engine once more and run it at 3000 RPM for another 2 minutes. Switch off the engine on completion and allow it to cool. When the engine has cooled completely, recheck the level once more and top up if necessary. Disengage the support prop and clip it into place. Firmly close the bonnet and check it's secure.